I just wanted to do a quick review on this Springform pan that we purchased from Amazon. We have this for 5.5 years now, and it is really easy to use and it's still working great. And you can see right now there's no rust buildup on the unit. It's very easy to use this. Once you're done making your pancake, all you need to do is basically just open this latch right here. And when you open it, the sides are going to widen up, and from there you can just pull the side up. And to assemble it, you just have to put the form on top and close the latch. And that's how you do it. And the way we actually use this is we use some butter on the side to grease it up a little, and also on the bottom. When you wash it, you want to make sure that you wash it by hand. You don't want to put this thing in the dishwasher, because the dishwasher is going to ruin the protective film from this unit. So if you want this thing to last like this one right here, you want to make sure to just wash it by hand. Don't use harsh scrubs to remove any batter or cake that is left behind. You just want to soak it in water, let it soften so that you can remove it easily.